Okay, once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if today is your first time, you are really welcome. To my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you. Okay, today I will be putting on this bathing soap as we have requested for it, and I will be combining two different types of oil. First of all, you put on your protective gloves, like I'm putting on. Put on your protective gloves. So I'll be using this container. Okay, so this is my PQ. My PQ is 450 gram. Okay, so I pour it here, and I have here 200 gram of bleached palm oil is what I'm pouring here. Okay, so I have two different types of oil here. The PK oil will help you to lather very well, while the palm oil will help it to be strong. Like I've always said, our oil should be warm, so that's what I'm trying to test. It's warm. I warm it before we started the usage. Okay, so I'll be dropping my color into the oil because it's water oil soluble. So just drop the oil there, the color there. Oh wow, I hope this will not be much. So you stir it together. Okay, by the time you mix it with the oil, it's not likely to stain your fabric. Okay, okay, so I'm good to go. The oil is ready, and here I have my soda ash solution. I've pre-soaked it. Okay, and then I have my caustic soda solution here. I've pre-soaked it. The caustic soda is there, 102 grams, while this is 51 grams of soda ash. Okay, and then I have my glycerin here because it's for bathing. I have my perfume here, and I have I want to put vitamin E there. Okay, I think I'm good to go. So having done this, I'll be adding my soda ash solution first. Okay, my soda ash solution first. Okay, so you stir, you mix and stir. So you mix it. Don't let it separate. Mix it thoroughly before we add our caustic soda solution to it. So I can pour my caustic solution now. So I can mix it thoroughly. Okay, have you seen the number on the screen? That's my direct number. For those of us that want to reach me for the online training, you can reach me directly and you'll be added to the class. Okay, then in the class we learn so many things: how to make laundry bar soap, how to make detergent powder, how to make bathing soap like this, how to make liquid soap, make cream. So many things you'll be learning in the group, only for you to join us, and you'll be glad you did. Okay, So I will, as much as possible, avoid it not to form thick crease. Okay, so what is the next thing I'm going to add now? I'll be adding my vitamin E there, just about 5. Okay, just about 3 to 5 grams. So then you mix it. Okay, so you keep mixing it like this. And what is the next thing I'm going to add to it? I will add my glycerin, just about 3 grams too. Okay, add and mix, add and mix. It's very simple, it's not difficult. If you're interested, don't see it as something very difficult to learn. It's definitely going to, you're definitely going to like it. It's not stressful. You can see I'm almost through with the making of the soap, almost through it. But I want to make 2 different kind of colors from it. Okay, so I'll be dividing this into 2. Okay, I'm leaving this color like this, and then I will take some of it out for, okay. And to remind us of my ebook, if you are here to purchase it, what are you waiting for? Others are already buying it. So it's time to pour into the mold. I'll be using this mold for it. Okay, let's see how many of the mold you take. Okay, so we leave it to dry. So the remaining ones I'll be pouring it into it, and then make okay. So I decided to use lemon color for the other aspect. So let's see how it goes. You can see the lemon color. See the lemon color coming out. So I put the lemon color here now. I avoided it from reaching thick trace so that it can come out smoothly. Okay, thanks so much for watching till now. Thanks so much for watching till now. When it's strong, I will come back to show us. Okay, thanks so much.